Hello and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share a couple of organizing products that have just completely changed the game for me and I'm absolutely in love. So these range from like $1 to like $40. I think that's my most expensive one. But I wanted to go and share them with you in case you are looking for something similar. So why don't you sit back, relax, and let's talk all about storage and organization. First, let's start off with a very common one, and they're just like these plastic dividers. You can get them in different sizes, you know. I picked up at Target for $2. You get a pack of 3. And they also have the same ones in this. I think it's like 2 for $2, or I believe so. Don't quote me, but I'll put a link down below in case you're interested. I know that you can do the curbside pickup, and that's one of the items you can definitely do that if you are doing no contact at all. I picked these up from the dollar store a little bit ago, but I know that they always have these. So I just picked up 2, and I'm going to show you how they've transformed my like makeup drawers and like my craft drawers. I have 1 or 2 that actually are here, and they just look so much cleaner and so much better. Next up is I think it's used for paintbrushes, like a paintbrush holder, and I will show you what I'm talking about. I picked it up at the dollar store, and I added like a clear Lazy Susan so that it could spin. So highly in love with that, and it is currently holding all of my makeup brushes, well, all of my clean makeup brushes, and it's just so satisfying to spin it around. So if you want to do a little mini DIY, I highly suggest that you purchase both pieces, which I will link the Lazy Susan like adapter thing down below if you're interested. So highly recommend. Next up, let's talk about closets. And one of the things that I have done is switched all of my wardrobe from my winter to my summer. And I love using just a uniform hanger. And I especially love these black felt hangers because you can fit so much more, and they save space, which is amazing, and they just look really pretty. So I know not a lot of people like want to do this, but if you want to step up your closet game, definitely suggest these. And last but not least, it's this right there, and it is a diffuser stand with individual slots for your oils. So I fell in love with this when I saw it on Amazon, and I purchased it, and for the price, this is the most expensive thing I have on this listed down below. It's like $39.99. The quality is amazing. It was super easy to just put together, and I really love it. So I'll show you a little clip as to how it kind of works, because I am just obsessed with it. So that concludes my favorite organizational items, and they're pretty simple and nothing like major. I'm sure that you've heard about these before, but I just wanted to kind of put it out there that, you know, if you have some time, organize your space. You definitely feel a lot better, and you can do it in different sections, which is absolutely wonderful. This wasn't something that I did in like a day. This has taken me like 2 months to just do and find, but I figured if you are looking for some more products like I am, this video might be helpful. Before I sign off, if you're interested in this makeup look, I will have the link down below. It'll be the first link as to how I achieved it. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my little corner of the internet. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And yeah, I will see you all next week. Bye.